So this is the kitchen. From here sa entrance, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 din. 4 steps din from the entrance ng kitchen. So yun. Meron din siya. Cupboards na din siya. So, yung stove lang, I'm not sure where. And, siguro dito. Wala lang ilaw, medyo madilim. Kasi, we have cupboards here. Oops, sorry. And, yung fuse, cabinet, and then, so, wala lang ito pa. So, basically, ito yung kitchen.